Prime Minister urges citizens to take precaution and not panic, suggesting that the people continue to stay at home. Advises to follow instruction by doctors. Appreciates IT professionals and workers for providing seamless services to their fellow citizens. Prime Minister interacts with leaders of pharma industry via video conferencing and asks pharma industry to work on manufacture of RNA. Testing kits for the COVID-19 on war footing. Prime Minister says government committed to help in maintaining supply of APIs in the country in important. In important cabinet decision, 12.5 thousand new Ayush and the health wellness centers will be built. Decision taken towards making India a manufacturing hub in new areas. Manufacturing cluster scheme to be launched and 20 lakh people to get employment in the electronic and mobile manufacturing by 2025. Medical device park will be set up in 4 states. Indian Council of Medical Research issues guidelines for all individuals who have undertaken international travel in the last 14 days but still not showing symptoms of COVID-19. Says such people should stay in home quarantine for 14 days. Also says they should be tested only if they show symptoms. Meanwhile, the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases rise to 283. States take major steps to prevent coronavirus spread, and Maharashtra government has directed hospitals to postpone general surgery to use resources to utilize it for COVID cases. 7,500 beds have been dedicated for such cases in state. All markets in Delhi to be closed for the next 3 days and no metro services on Sunday. Section 144 imposed in Haryana and North Goa. Chief Minister of UP Yogi Adityanath says rupees 1,000 will be given to daily wage labourers and the construction workers to help them to meet their daily needs, and all metro, rail, state and city bus services in the state to remain closed tomorrow. Says we all must adhere to Janata Curfew, March 22nd called by the Prime Minister Modi. Coronavirus continues to spread across the world, and more than 2.7 lakh infection cases and death toll more than 11,000. Italy records 627 deaths, taking toll over 4,000. France reports 78 more deaths in 24 hours. United Nations chief warns that global recession is a near certainty. Namaskar and welcome all of you in this edition of Doordarshan News. I am Kiran Jha and presenting the top stories of the day. Ahead of the Janata Curfew on the Sunday, Prime Minister Modi took to the Twitter to reiterate his message. Prime Minister said that this is the time we should all listen to advice given by the doctors and authorities. All those who have been told to stay in home quarantine, I urge you to please follow the instructions. This will protect you as well as your friends and family. India fights the corona and never forget the precautions, not panic. It's not only important to be at home but also remain in the town, city where you are. Unnecessary travel will not help you or others. In these times, every small efforts on our part will leave a big impact. A video that raises awareness should be the real danger of the COVID-19 pandemic going out of control if precautions are not adhered seriously, has been shared by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on his official Twitter handle. This video can make monumental impact in the society and can save many valuable lives. Let's look at this interesting public service video message. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has praised the Google for spreading awareness on how to prevent the spread of COVID-19. In a tweet, Prime Minister Modi said, leveraging technology and the internet for a healthier planet, Google is doing its best to spread awareness on how to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Their efforts add great strength in this fight. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has commended the micro-logging and the social networking services, Twitter India, for providing information and real-time updates on COVID-19 to users. In a tweet, Prime Minister Modi said that, I quote, the commendable effort by the Twitter India, which has launched a dedicated COVID-19 page that provides essential real-time updates to people from various authorities across India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked citizens to share correct information and avoid incorrect panic. Prime Minister Modi highlighted how the government is working closely with WhatsApp Messenger to fight rumors and address unnecessary panic as coronavirus cases spike across the world. Moving on, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has hailed the efforts of people from various walks of life that have come together to support the initiative of Janata Curfew this Sunday, the 22nd of March, in an effort to contain the spread of coronavirus COVID-19. Influencers and their achievers from various fields and several organizations have come out in support of the Janata Curfew and have urged the nation to come together to make it effective. Moving on to the next development, Indian Railways has taken a slew of measures to contain the spread of coronavirus, and the measures are being implemented across all the zones. Indian Railways has taken steps to discourage citizens from undertaking the non-essential journey by temporarily removing the special incentives for many categories, including suspension of the passengers and some long-distance trains. And Indian Railways has reduced the number of trains which would be plying, and the passenger trains originating from Saturday midnight till 10 p.m. on Sunday stand cancelled. Around 1,300 long-distance mail and the express trains have also been suspended, which were supposed to commence journey between 4 in the morning till 10 in the night on Sunday. Barring few essential runs, suburban train services in Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and the Secunderabad will also be reduced. All trains which are already on the run during these hours will, however, continue their services. Railways have urged people to ensure the running status of trains before reaching the stations, as occupancy is being closely monitored and modifications are done to meet the actual requirement. Railways has relaxed the refund rules for the passengers to avoid the crowding of trains, and they encourage social distancing. Passengers who have booked tickets from station counters to travel between March 21st and April 15 will get refund in case of train cancellation and also in case of where passengers could not perform journey. And now see some reactions of the Bollywood. The Bollywood director Karan Johar appealed to people to not forget the contributions of those who are working day and night to provide the essential services to the nation. And the Bollywood actor Anil Kapoor appealed to people to stand tall in the solidarity in our own homes and show appreciation loudly for those who are helping us fight with the virus while risking their own lives. And in his address to the nation on Thursday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealed to people to follow Janata Curfew and stay at home. The Prime Minister also urged everyone to appreciate the efforts being put in by the medical fraternity, municipal staff, armed forces and police to save the nation from the coronavirus pandemic.
पिछले 2 महीनों से लाखों लोग अस्पतालों में, एयरपोर्ट पर, दफ्तरों में, शहर की गलियों में दिन रात काम में जुटे हुए हैं। चाहे डॉक्टर हो, नर्सिस हो, हॉस्पिटल का स्टाफ हो, सफाई करने वाले हमारे भाई बहन हो, एयरलाइंस के कर्मचारी हो, सरकारी कर्मचारी हो, पुलिसकर्मी हो, मीडिया कर्मी हो, रेलवे, बस, ऑटो रिक्शा की सुविधा से जुड़े लोग हो, होम डिलीवरी करने वाले लोग हो, ये लोग अपनी परवाह न करते हुए दूसरों की सेवा में लगे हुए हैं। रविवार को यानी जनता कर्फ्यू के दिन शाम को ठीक 5 बजे हम अपने घर के दरवाजे पर खड़े होकर या बालकनी में या खिड़कियों के सामने खड़े होकर 5 मिनट तक रविवार को शाम को 5 बजे 5 मिनट तक ऐसे लोगों का आभार व्यक्त करें। और आभार कैसे व्यक्त करेंगे? ताली बजा करके, थाली बजा करके, घंटी बजा करके हम उनके प्रति अपनी कृतज्ञता व्यक्त करें, उनका हौसला बढ़ाएं, उनको सैल्यूट करें।
Prime Minister Modi said that work on manufacture of RNA testing kits for COVID-19 on war footing. Government committed to help in maintaining the supply of APIs in the country. Government approves the schemes worth rupees 10,000 crore for production of critical drugs. Government nod for the schemes worth rupees 4,000 crore for production of medical equipments. The Prime Minister also said be on constant vigil to prevent black marketing and hoarding of medicines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi interacted with the leaders of pharma industry via video conferencing on Saturday. Prime Minister said that the pharma producers and distributors have a crucial role to play in combating the challenge of COVID-19. He said that not only does the industry need to ensure maintenance of supply lines of the essential medicines, medical kits and the equipments, but at the same time should try to come up with the new and innovative solutions. Prime Minister said that the government is committed to helping the industry in maintaining supply of active pharmaceutical ingredients and underlining the importance of manufacture of such APIs within the country. He said that in order to ensure the production of critical drugs and the medical equipment within the country, the government has approved schemes worth rupees 10,000 crore and rupees 4,000 crore respectively. Prime Minister requested the industry leaders to work on manufacture of RNA diagnostic kits for COVID-19 on war footing. He asked the medicine retailers and pharmacists to be on constant vigil to ensure that black marketing and hoarding of the medicines is avoided and supply of essentials maintained. He suggested that whenever feasible, the supply of medicines in bulk may be avoided. Prime Minister said that this is the hour of need and it is imperative for the industry to work continuously and also ensure that there is no storage of and shortage of the workforce in the pharma sector. He suggested exploration of the home delivery model to allow for maintenance of the social distancing at pharmacies and also promotion of the usage of digital payment mechanisms to prevent the spread of coronavirus. The Pharmaceutical Association thanked the Prime Minister for his leadership in this time of the crisis. The association said that they are committed to maintaining supply of essential medicines and equipment and also working on developing of the vaccines. They said that the government's policy announcements for the pharma sector will give the sector a huge boost. And moving on, the Union Cabinet has approved production-linked incentives worth rupees 40,995 crore for electronics manufacturing companies. Briefing the media in New Delhi, Union Communication Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad said that the incentive of all 25% will be given on capital investment under the scheme.
The Government of India is going to give a huge amount of 40,000 995 crore, that means close to 41,000 crores in the coming 5 years, which will be production linked incentive. स्कीम में जो जितने इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में कंपोनेंट हैं, मोबाइल है, कंज्यूमर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, इंडस्ट्रियल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, ऑटोमोबाइल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, मेडिकल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, स्ट्रेटेजिक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, पावर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, टेलीकॉम इक्विपमेंट, इन सबों पर हम देंगे। इसमें हम 3,285 करोड़ रुपए का हम ये इंसेंटिव ऑफ 25% ऑन कैपिटल एक्सपेंडिचर देने जा रहे हैं। तीसरा इंपॉर्टेंट है मैन्युफैक्चरिंग क्लस्टर। ये एक हमने बड़ी योजना शुरू की है जिसमें एक बड़ी कंपनी आएगी और उसके साथ साथ उसके वैल्यू चेन की भी कंपनी आएगी। वो कंपनियां ग्लोबल कंपनी भी होगी, विदेशी कंपनी भी होगी और भारतीय कंपनी भी होगी।
The minister also stated that the centre will invest 20 lakh crore rupees in the sector, which will provide employment to 20 lakh people in next 5 years.
इन तीनों स्कीम के माध्यम से हमारी अपेक्षा है कि 2025 तक 10 लाख करोड़ रुपए का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग होगा और लगभग 20 लाख लोगों को प्रत्यक्ष अप्रत्यक्ष नौकरी।
The cabinet also gave its nod to scheme on promotion of bulk drug parks and for the financing company and common infrastructure facilities in 3 bulk drug parks with financial implication of rupees 3,000 crore for next 5 years.
अगले 5 साल में हिंदुस्तान ड्रग सिक्योरिटी में अपनी महारत हासिल कर देगा। एक्सपोर्ट, आज हम एपीआई में जो एपीआई में इंपोर्ट एपीआई पर डिपेंड है, वो भी एपीआई हिंदुस्तान में बनेगा और एक्सपोर्ट होगा। उसकी स्कीम क्या है? एक पैकेज में पहली एक स्कीम कुल 4, एक पैकेज में 4 स्कीम बनाई है। 2 बल्क ड्रग्स के लिए है और 2 एपीआई के लिए है। उसमें से पहली स्कीम बल्क ड्रग पार्क, 3,000 करोड़ रुपीस बल्क ड्रग पार्क के पीछे भारत सरकार खर्च करेगी। एक बल्क ड्रग पार्क में 1,000 करोड़ रुपीस भारत सरकार इंसेंटिव देगी। 1,000 एकड़ लैंड लेके कोई भी स्टेट आएगा, ये स्टेट में बल्क ड्रग पार्क बनाया जाएगा।
And moving on, the cabinet has approved inclusion of Ayush Health and Wellness Centers component of Ayushman Bharat in National Ayush Mission. The move will reduce the burden on secondary and tertiary health care facilities.
Healthcare is the best preventive measure and prevention is better than cure. और इसलिए ये आयुष में 4500 ये 3,400 करोड़ का व्यय से ये आयुष के 12,000 नए केंद्र बनेंगे, वेलनेस और हेल्थ सेंटर्स, और जिसमें जो स्वास्थ्य आयुष मंत्रालय के जो केंद्र है ऐसे 10,000 केंद्रों में भी बनेंगे और जो 2,500 केंद्र है कि जो सब सेंटर्स हैं हेल्थ विभाग के, वहां भी बनेंगे।
The Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs also approved an expenditure for reimbursing the losses under minimum support price operations for cotton during the cotton years 2014-15 to 2018-19.
कपास आपको मालूम है उसकी एमएसपी घोषित होती है और कभी कभार ऐसा मौका आता है कि एमएसपी से भी नीचे अगर बाजार जाता है तो एमएसपी में कॉटन कॉरपोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया खरीद करती है। ये खरीद से फिर बिक्री भी होती है इलेक्ट्रॉनिक ऑक्शन से। वो बिक्री और खरीद में जो अंतर आता है, जो नुकसान अगर होता है तो वो नुकसान की भरपाई सरकार करती है और ऐसे 1,059 करोड़ इतने रुपए का पिछले 4 सालों का जो नुकसान हुआ है वो एक साथ हम उसको दे रहे हैं।
And moving on to the next, the Indian Council of Medical Research revised its strategy to fight the spread of the new coronavirus on Saturday. saying all hospitalized patients with severe acute respiratory illness, shortness of the breath and the having fever and cough will now be tested for COVID-19 infection. The new ICMR guidelines also said that a symptomatic, direct and the high-risk contact of a confirmed case should be tested once between day 5 and day 14 of coming in his or her contact. The apex body for biomedical research revised its strategy in view of a spurt in coronavirus cases in the country this week. The new strategy aims to contain the spread of infection more effectively and to provide reliable diagnosis to all the individuals meeting the inclusion criteria of COVID-19 testing. Meanwhile, the coronavirus cases rose to 283 on Saturday in India, with fresh cases being reported from the various parts of the country. And among them, 256 are active cases. India has so far witnessed cases of COVID-19 mostly related to travel and local transmission from imported cases. Community transmission of the disease has not been documented till now. And moving on to the next development, with the largest numbers of coronavirus cases in Maharashtra, Maharashtra Health Minister Rajesh Tope said that the state government has directed hospitals to postpone the general surgeries to use the resources to utilize it for the COVID-19 cases. The ministry also said that a total number of 7,500 beds have been dedicated for such cases. Also, with suspension of the passengers train nationwide, the health minister also said Mumbai local services will not be suspended.
जितने भी गवर्नमेंट के हॉस्पिटल्स है, कॉरपोरेशंस के हॉस्पिटल्स है, मेडिकल कॉलेजेस के हॉस्पिटल्स है और प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स में भी कई बेड्स हमने आइसोलेशन के लिए कंपल्सरीली उनसे लिए हैं। वेंटिलेटर्स भी लेने के बारे में भी उनको इंटीमेट किया गया है। गवर्नमेंट के माध्यम से भी करीबन 550 वेंटिलेटर्स अलग से रखे गए हैं। आइसोलेशन वार्ड्स करीबन 250 रखे गए हैं। क्वारंटाइन फैसिलिटीज़ करीबन 10,500 क्वारंटाइन फैसिलिटीज़ भी उसमें रखी गई है। हमने अभी ये भी डिसीजन लिया है कि जैसा प्लान्ड सर्जरीज है वो भी पोस्टपोन किया जाए, जिससे कि रिसोर्सेज कंजर्व कर सकते हैं।
And a total number of 23 people have been found to be infected with coronavirus in Uttar Pradesh. State Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath in a press conference in Lucknow said that out of the total cases, 9 people have recovered and there is sufficient number of isolation wards in the state.
अब तक कोरोना वायरस से 23 पेशेंट चिन्हित हुए थे। इनमें से 9 पूरी तरह स्वस्थ हो चुके हैं। स्वाभाविक रूप से इससे घबराने की नहीं, बल्कि इन चुनौतियों से जूझने और लड़ने के लिए अपने आप को तैयार करने की आवश्यकता है और इसमें बचाव का पक्ष सबसे बड़ा महत्वपूर्ण है।
And Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath said that rupees 1,000 each will be given to 15 lakh daily wage laborers and 20.37 lakh construction workers to help them meet with their daily needs.
सरकार ने जो अपनी सहमति दी है, इसमें प्रदेश के अंदर श्रम विभाग के द्वारा 20,37,000 जो निर्माण श्रमिक पंजीकृत हैं, इन सभी श्रमिकों को हम लोगों ने तय किया है कि तात्कालिक रूप से भरण पोषण भत्ता के रूप में 1,000 रुपये डीबीटी के माध्यम से हम इनके अकाउंट में देने की सहमति प्रदेश सरकार ने दी है। ठेला, खोमचा, रेहड़ी, रिक्शा चलाने वाले जितने भी अन्य इस प्रकार के छोटे छोटे कारोबार में लगे हुए दिन प्रतिदिन कमाने वाले लोग हैं, 1,000 रुपये की राशि भरण पोषण की दृष्टि से तत्काल रूप से सरकार इनके लिए भी अपना स्वीकृत कर रही है।
And also the UP CM further announced the provision of 1 month free food grains to around 1.65 crore poor ration card holders. And moving on, in the national capital Delhi, gathering more than 5 people has been prohibited amidst coronavirus outbreak. Announcing this, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said there is no lockdown in the city for now, but it can be imposed if need arises. Delhi Metro services will remain closed tomorrow in view of Janata curfew. And in his address to the nation on Thursday, Prime Minister Narendra Modi appealed to people to follow Janata curfew and stay at home. The Prime Minister also urged everyone to appreciate the efforts being put in by the medical fraternity, municipal staff, armed forces and police to save the nation from the coronavirus pandemic. And that was all in this edition. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.